Suppose we have to insert a few key values in a given B tree of order 5. Here m is equal to 5. That means the maximum number of children can be 5 and the maximum number of keys in each node can be 4. So if this B tree is given to us and we have to insert 8. So we know that insertions will always take place at the leaf node. So first of all, if we have to insert 8, we will have to find the leaf node where this value can be inserted. So we start from the root. Since 8 is less than 18, we will follow the pointer which is pointing to this node. So we reach this node over here. Let's call it N1. N1 is currently having 2 keys over here. And we know that the maximum number of keys that can be inserted in this node is 4. So 8 can be inserted in this node, but after insertion of 8, these values, they need to be reordered so that they are in an ascending order. So 8 can be inserted in this node N1, and this will what the node will look like after the insertion of 8 and reordering of the key values. Now the value that has to be inserted is 9. Again we start from the root node over here. Let's call it N0. We compare it with 18, which is the first key value. So we know that 9 is less than 18. So we will have to use this pointer over here to go to the node which is storing all values which are less than 18. So we reach node N1 again. What are the maximum number of keys that can be stored in a tree of order 5? 4. That means 9 can be stored over here, and after insertion of 9 over here, these values, they need to be reordered and put in an ascending order once again. So we have inserted 9 also over here, and the values have been ordered again. Now the next key that has to be inserted is 38. We start from the root node again, and we know that any value that has to be inserted will always be at the leaf node. So we start from this root node, we compare it with the first key value which is 18. So 38 is more than 18. So we compare it with the next key value which is 45, and 38 is less than 45. So the pointer that is over here, we will use this pointer to reach this node, because values which are greater than 18 and less than 45 will be available in this node. Let us call this N2. So we have to come over here and insert this value 38 in this node. However, we see that this node N2 is already having 4 keys. We know that the maximum number of keys in a B tree of order 5 can be 4, and this node N2 is already having 4 values. So how do we take care of this? What we do is that considering 21, 27, 36, 42 and 38, we will find the median of these 5 values. So we can see that the median is 36. Now this 36 would be shifted up in the parent node, and this node N2 would be split into 2. One node would be containing these 2 values 21 and 27, and the other node would be containing values 38 and 42. So any time when a node is full, we split it into 2. The median is sent to the parent node. Half the number of values would come in one node and the other half would come in the second node. So this would be split into 2 like this, 21 and 27 coming over here, 38 and 42 coming over here, and 36 being sent to the parent node over here. So this is what the B tree would look like. 21 and 27 have come here, 38 and 42 have come here. So the original node has been split into 2. The median value, which was 36, it was sent to the parent node, and again the values were reordered over here so that they are again in the ascending order. Since the previous node has been split into two nodes, there would be change in the pointers also over here. So there would be extra pointers and these values of the pointers will also change. Now we have to insert the key 3. So we start from the root node, we compare it with 18, we see that 3 is less than 18. So using the pointer over here P0, we will go to this node and we know that values which are less than 18 will be added in this node N1. So 3 needs to be added to this node. Now this node N1 is already having 4 keys. That means it is having the maximum number of keys that are possible. And now one more key needs to be inserted over here. So how do we take care of that? Again, this node would be split into 2. And the median value would be sent to the parent node. So if we take these values 3, 7, 8, 9 and 11, which is the median value? 8 is the median value. So 8 would be sent up, 7, 3 and 7 would come here and 9 and 11 would come in the other node. So this is how this key would be inserted and the node would be taken care of. So 3 and 7 have come in one node, 9 and 11 in the other. So that one node has been split into 2. 8 has been sent over here to the parent node. Pointers would also need to be changed. However, this 8 which has come over here, I have shown it in red because it again needs to be taken care of. Why is that? Because in the parent node there are already 4 keys and one more key has come over here. So again this parent node would also have to be split into 2. So this parent node would also be split into 2. And what is the median value over here? If we take these values 8, 18, 36, 45 and 75, the median value is 36. So this 36 will be sent up and a new node would be created. So it would be like 36 and 8 and 18 would be in this node and 45 and 75 would be in this node. So again there would be some reallocation of pointers over here and a new node would be created. That is why you will see that in a B tree always it is created bottom up. We start from the leaf node and we keep on adding as and when the keys are inserted, we keep on adding nodes going up. So now insertion of 8 in the parent node has broken the nodes into 2, 8 and 18, 45 and 75 and 36 has gone up. This will now have 2 pointers over here, one pointing to this child and the other pointing to this child. The pointers in each node would be modified appropriately depending upon the nodes that have been created. So this is how insertion in B trees is taken care of.